आप अपने कॉपी और अब किताब निकालिए एंड यू विल ओपन द पेज नंबर 121, last para. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you and some miserable ones and all because of you. जब उससे इस फॉरेस्टर ने कहा कि आप कितनी चेंज हो गई हो, आप कितनी बदल चुकी हो, उसने कहा हाँ, जब से मैंने लास्ट टाइम आपको देखा था, आखिरी बार देखा था, तो आई वॉज तो मुझे क्या हो गया, मैंने बहुत से मुश्किल दिन गुजारे. बिकॉज ऑफ मी. हाउ इज दैट? फॉरेस्टर ने कहा बिकॉज ऑफ मी, मेरी वजह से. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear on the minister's ball. मेटिल्डा उसे कहती हैं कि आप वो याद करो जब मैंने आपका वो नेकलेस लिया था, वो मैंने उधार लिया था आपसे जब मुझे मिनिस्टर के पार्टी में शमूलियत करने के लिए वहां जाना था. यस वेरी वेल, हाँ मैं जानती हूँ. वेल आई लॉस्ट इट. मेटिल्डा ने कहा हाँ मैं वो खो चुकी हूँ, मैंने वो I lost that necklace. How is that since you returned it? तो फॉरेस्टर ने कहा क्यों, आपने तो वापस लाया है. I return another to you exactly like that. लेकिन मैंने ऐसा ही लेकिन दूसरा लाया. And it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. और उस नेकलेस ने हमें 10 साल लिए to pay for that. यानी 10 साल तक हमने वो कर्ज जो हमें जो कर्ज उस नेकलेस से आया, तो हमें वो 10 साल लगे, कर्ज चुकाने में 10 साल लगे. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing. आपको पता ही है कि हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था तो हमारे लिए कितनी मुश्किल था. But it is finished and I am decent now, decently content now. लेकिन अब वो खत्म हो चुका है, अब वो बहरान खत्म हो चुका है. Now we are okay. अब मैं मुतमईन हूँ. Content means satisfied. Content, satisfied. Madam Forrester stopped short. She said, "You say that you brought a diamond necklace to replace mine?" तो मैडम फॉरेस्टर ने कहा कि आप कह रही हैं कि आपने वो नया लाया, आपने वो नया ही लाया. Yes, you didn't perceive it then. आपने उसको नहीं पहचाना. You cannot perceive it. Perceive, C-I-E. Perceive means to recognize. You could not recognize at that time. आपने उसको नहीं पहचान लिया. And you could not perceive then. They were just alike. वो एक जैसे थे. And she smiled with a proud and simple joy. और वो खुशी से क्या? She smiled. उसने मुस्कुराया. Madam Forrester was touched and took both her hands as she smiled. She was touched. Madam Forrester was touched and took both her hands as she replied, "Oh my poor Matilda, mine were false." तो उसने अपने हाथ लिए तो और कहा अरे बिचारी मैटिल्डा, वो नकली थे. They were not worth over 500 francs. तो इनका जो कीमत था वो 500 से फ्रैंक ज्यादा नहीं था. Now Matilda here is extremely shocked because where the 500 francs and 30,000 francs, तो फर्क कितनी है? Now she can understood that has she spoken the truth. अगर उसने सच बताया होगा कि वो मुझे खो गया, अगर उसने क्लियरली बताया होगा, ऑनेस्टली बताया होगा कि मैं वो नेकलेस खो चुकी हूं, अब उसके लिए क्या करना है? हो सकता है कि she will tell her that you will pay the cost of 500 francs and that could not create the trouble for her throughout the life, throughout the 10 years. So after reading this lesson, what is the theme of this lesson? The theme of this lesson, we can write that vanity is self-deception. Vanity is self-deception. Means ये धोखा है. Vanity is what we are going to show. That is deception. That is deceptive. And she tries to, Matilda here she tries to cut her coat beyond his cloth. She did not want to cut her coat according to her cloth. Now she was not content. She was not content with the life. She was not content with the life. So we can learn, what we can learn from this? We can learn from this very lesson that we should be satisfied. We should be satisfied what God has given us. And the second thing, we should like what we have, and we should not like what we don't have. What we don't have. We should not make our life artificial. We should not show the artificiality in our life. And if we can now if we go to write the correct sketch of the Matilda, if you can make different points, you can add different pointers about the Matilda, that will be the correct sketch about Matilda. Suppose if I can say you that if we will make here comparison before the necklace, after the last necklace. Now here we can, though she was poor, but she was very beautiful. And she was very attractive. She was peaceful. No worries of life. Now, if we can compare after the loss of necklace, we can say that she became the rough woman. Lost her beauty. And she has to perform all her duty by herself. We can show that. So, the moral of this very lesson is, there are so many morals for this. One, we can say that we should content what God has given us, number one. Number two, we should like what we have. We should not like what we don't have. Number three, vanity is the self-deception. Number four, we should cut our coat according to our cloth. And one more thing we can learn from this, that honesty is the best policy. So I think with this I will conclude this lesson. So far as the question is concerned, I will make you aware about the questions also and the other exercise in the next session. Thanks.